Go.
Good day mga mama sir! Today is November 21, 2023. We are restarting office which for our project here the complete set of building plans and technical documents requirements for building permit, the 3-story with roof deck, multi-purpose residential commercial building, and these are composed of 1,800 square meter total floor area. We are the one who provide ng complete set of plans and technical documents. All are signed and sealed and technical documents. And we are also the one who assist and process the building permit of this project. So our client trusted us to provide the complete set of plans and also to provide the processing and assistance to release their building permit at Quezon City. Sa Quezon City mga mama sir, marami isa sa mga client natin yan na nagtatanong at nagpapa-assist sa Quezon City dahil medyo mahirap ang processing ng Quezon City. Out of sa lahat ng City Engineering Office, sa lahat ng OBO, the official building office, nandun pa rin sila sa traditional over-the-counter na pagpa-process ng ating building permit. So pagdating sa Quezon City, sila yung kauna-unahan na online po ang processing. So paano ba tayo mag-process sa Quezon City? So unang-una, kailangan i-provide natin yung technical documents and requirements for building permits, and kailangan i-online natin yon. So meron tayong nagbago na naman, nagkaroon na naman ng changes sa online processing. So number 1, kailangan meron tayong project in charge, project engineer, general manager ng ating project. So once na meron na tayong general manager, architect or engineer, ay magtatag na siya ng mga registered engineer. So yung mga registered engineer natin, nag-sign and seal ng ating mga documents. Check muna natin yung kasi proceed natin. Yung mga after na matag yung ating mga registered engineers sa Quezon City, i-accept nila, then i-upload nila, mag-encode sila online kung ano yung mga scope at nakapaloob doon sa project na yon. Then once na-accept na, bibigyan na tayo ng list of requirements ni Quezon City. So list of requirements, makikita rin po natin yung mga permit form. Doon mada-download natin yung mga permit form, which is nandun na yun, nakasulat na yung detail ng project, detail ng mga engineers natin, detail ng client natin, ng project owner. So pag print natin yon, printed na yon, nakalagay na doon yung mga details, doon isa-sign na lang. And after na ma-sign and seal natin yung mga yon, after na may upload natin yung mga nakalist doon, ay saka tayo bibigyan ng evaluation. Bibigyan tayo mga 3 days evaluation, yung i-evaluate nila yung mga na-i-upload natin. Then kung may compliance pa tayo, itatawagan, makikita natin dito sa monitoring system kung ano yung mga compliance natin. And also pag okay na, bibigyan nila tayo ng actual na interview or evaluation. Ipapasa natin yung actual na mga documents and plans. And kapag okay na, bibigyan nila tayo ng orders of payment and payment natin. Then once na payment, ay release na ng ating building permit. So let's check it out, the processing. This one of the requirements. Check natin kung ano ba yung mga requirements for this project na 3-story commercial residential building. And this is a commercial building, also residential building, 3 stories. So check natin yung mga requirements for building permit. So check it out. So ito mga ma'am sir, makikita natin dito. Ito yung set of plans of building permit mga ma'am sir. These are the complete set of plans composed of architectural plans, structural plans, plumbing plans, electrical plans, electronic plans, mechanical fire flow plans, mechanical HVAC plans. Which in the architectural plan, kailangan natin sa March 15, 2023, our Supreme Court order na kailangan sa lahat po ng ating architectural plans, sila po are authorized na mag-prepare, sign and sealed ng architectural plans. And congratulations, mabuhay mga arkitektong Pilipino. And siyempre sa ating structural plans, our civil engineer, structural engineer are the signatory, and the electrical plans, electrical PME, the professional electrical PE pala, electrical engineers, the mechanical plants HVAC, and ParPro, the mechanical professional mechanical engineer, and electronics professional electronics engineer. And yan po yung mga complete set of plans natin mga ma'am sir. And then all of these are signed and sealed. So let's check out our project here. So ayan po yung ating provided plans. Check out the perspective 3-story commercial building. And hoping mga ma'am sir, no, after netong processing, are hoping ma-decide ni our client na ipa-construct din sa atin. So our structural frame dito ay steel. We are the one who provide this kind of design. Tayo rin nag-design ng structural with our team of professional. So yun yung mga complete set of plans. And ano pa yung after ng complete set of plan, kailangan din natin ng structural analysis. Structural analysis are, let's check it out. Yan. Project 4, Cubao, Quezon City. Project proposed 3-story with roof deck, multipurpose residential commercial building. Ayan. So, after ng complete set of plan, structural analysis, once na our structure, yung ipapatayo nating building or house are nag 3-story and above na, kailangan na po siya ng structural analysis. So, para magkaroon tayo ng structural analysis, kailangan din ng soil test. Yan. So, ito yung tinatawag nating geotechnical investigation investigation report, which sa soil test, chine-check natin kung ano ba yung composition ng lot, ng lupa, ng property na yon na pagtatayuan ng ating building, so we can design and yung tamang design para sa ating structural design. So doon tayo magbe-base kung ano yung gaano kalalim yung ating dapat na hukay ng puting, gaano kalaki. So diyan po tayo magbe-base sa ating soil test o yung geotechnical report, investigation report. So next so kailangan po yan sa ating pagpa-process itong soil test pag 3-story na ba. Next, itong ating technical specification, yung mga specification ng ating materials ng ating project. The detailed estimate, the BOM, the electrical analysis, electrical voltage drop-off, kailangan yan mga ma'am sir. Also, kailangan din tayo ng CSHP. Tayo rin po ang nag-process nitong CSHP. Kailan lang to? November 8, 2023. Tayo rin po nag-process niyan. Next is these documents, the CTC, the Transfer Certificate of Title, which is dapat po galing sa LRA. Yan, blue copy po yan. And our professional teams, kailangan ng PTR-PRC with 3 signature signed and sealed original, mga ma'am sir. 5 copies also. So, ito yung mga documents. Ito yung lahat na documents kailangan natin kung same project na ina-apply nyo na 3-story commercial building or residential man yan. Residential man yan, yan po yung mga requirements natin. So isa-isahin natin. So lagyan natin ng tawag to. Lagyan natin ng series, no, mga ma'am sir, yung series 1, series 2, kung kailan tayo nagsimula hanggang sa matapos yung step by step sa pagka-process nito ng ating building permit. Ayan, lumabo na. Number 1 lang natin. Ayan. So, para ma-share natin yung processing sa Quezon City. We are the one who provided. Tayo po gumawa nitong lahat ng plans and technical documents kasama ng ating buong team. Our client from Quezon City, we are blessed. We are here at Santa Maria. We design, construct, we also process building permits and design and construct also, mga ma'am sir. So sa lahat mag-inquire, estimate, pre-consult mga ma'am sir, and thank you. To God be the glory. Let's check out our other videos for Quezon City processing. Thank you po. To God be the glory.